Ni ishera ria kamiti ya Senate igii ugai wa mahinya ria ritafanitio mwena wa Isiri guku kaunti ya Nairobi rigitanya kurumanirira na umomori uria watafanirio mwena uyu mwaka mwituku muno kirongoreria nyumba cia aruti wira thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi uria uragwetwo gukorwo watafanirio ni ruhonge rwa NMS. Mwena wa Pumwani thina munene ukagwetwo gukorwo ari wagi wa cikaro kuri madagitari a thibitari wa Pumwani maternity kuona nyumba ciao ni cia momorirwo undu wa kiriga makiria ri uria kuria ciakitwo gwacokire gutuo iwanja cia andu kiumbe kuria aria mari kuo riu marakomborithia ta handu ha kuiga ngari.
We have just come from Pumwani and we have seen for ourselves land that used to be a police station is now a petrol station. Land that used to house doctors is now a parking.
Kuringana na ikario na nyumba iria ciatigarire ciacokire gutunywo kuma kuri madagitari aria maikaraga kuo ni andu matoikaine umuthi igikomborithio andu angi thegia gukorwo ciari utonga wa county.
The Nairobi Metropolitan Service came with a huge consignment of police and evicted the tenants and destroyed and demolished the houses, and today what we have behind us is a private developer.
Owners of this project here are known. They have mentioned them. Some of them are even, to our utter dismay and shock, sitting members of County Assembly of Nairobi.
Ona cio cikaro cia andu kiumbe ikagwetwo gukorwo cia momorirwo ni ruhonge ruru kuria amwe aikari matuire macaranagia na kihoto kiao hatari umithio. Na kuo mwena wa First Avenue guku Isiri kiriga makiria gikeyumiria kuona kuria kwari na nyumba iria cia momorirwo cia aruti wira akaunti makiria ruhonge-ini rwa mai riu ni kwambiririe gwakwo ni mundu kiumbe undu uria naguo utari uragia anja.
There are people who are not giving the president the correct information, and the correct information that is here on the ground is NMS has really messed, and now that their term is coming to an end, I think before they leave office we need proper audit to know exactly what has been happening, because this thing might be bigger than Goldenberg.
Undu uyu ukagaja kuria nginyagia rugamiriri wa kaunti ya Nairobi orotete ruhonge rwa NMS ukirukuruhania na ugai wa indo cia muingi mugaru na watho.
Niko na vitu na watoto. Niliumia, I was the last person kutoka kwa hii yadi. Nairobi wote ikanipe lori, nikaweka vitu kwa lori. Nikashindwa ndio nimepewa transport. Hizi vitu napeleka wapi? Ndio nilienda kulala kwa church.
Gari za county government, polisi zaidi ya 400 wanakuja masaa 8 ya usiku kuja kubomolea watu nyumba.
Riu Kamiti nwetongoretio ni muikiriri gititwo Mkajwang ni kureire maitho murugamiriri munene wa NMS General Mohamed Badi riu makiorota Badi guku makimukuruhania na ciiko itiganite cia kuhatiriria muingi.
If indeed it would be proven that these allegations were true, then it will be grossly unfortunate that Nairobi City County and Nairobi Metropolitan Service that was supposed to restore sanity in this city is now a criminal enterprise.
It is self-evident that senior government officials who sit in the cabinet in the name of NMS participated in there is a serious allegation that they participated in very serious land grabbing.
Kamiti no eranire gutigirira neanika king'ang'a-ini amwe andu kiumbe aria makoretwo makinyita itemi rio hahami wa migunda ya muingi kaunti-ini no. Ni mugunda uria hau kabere wari giikaro kia aruti wira kaunti ya Nairobi na uria muthi wigwatiirwo ni mundu kiumbe na mwako no urathie na mbere. Kiuria kinene kiri ni ati ya mugunda uyu warigiriirie moko-ini ma mundu kiumbe. Kamiti ya Senate ikiranira gutigirira kihoto ni giakinyanirio. Hadunia Kameme TV kuma mwena wa Isili kaunti ya Nairobi. Ritora kwa ni Bataru wa Mwagi.